need a ton of time to get in shape. Today we are learning about easy ways to get fit with Dr. Miles Hassel and registered nurse Shelly Johnson from greatmed.org. You brought in some props today. Tell me what we have here and how you can use them.
Exercise is a really key component to every aspect of health, whether it's you're trying to treat depression, whether you're trying to prevent cancer, don't want to get the flu badly, don't want to have heart disease. Exercise is one of the biggest steps you can take to make sure you don't have those things. And people have all kinds of excuses as to why they don't do it. Our idea is that it is not hard to make sure that you have everything you need at your home or workplace at minimal expense that can keep you moving if you want to. How would you use this stuff, Shelly?
That's right, Dr. Hassel. So whether at home or work, it's important to have some gadgets and some strategies that would keep you moving during your day. And so we just go to secondhand stores and find workout equipment people got tired of using and incorporate that into our office visits. We actually do a little bit of exercise with our patients. Sometimes we'll take the stairs, and we think the same thing can be applicable in the home.
And you've helped doctors and nurses and other healthcare professionals get fit.
A major part of our greatmed.org is designed to give the healthcare professional the tools to help their patients get fit and also get fit themselves. And that's using fit in its broadest sense: good food, activity, weight control. And all this sort of stuff. And some of it can be kind of like a nervous habit.
Yes.
Grip strength is actually a strong indicator of healthy aging, and so maintaining good grip strength not only makes life easier because you can open jars, but also it's associated with more longevity and less illness later in ages.
We like to play board games at home, and in my family, when it's not your turn, there's some waiting involved, and so we work on strengthening our grip.
So when you're bored during a board game, you use one
Exactly.
of these. Yeah.
Well, one thing that is not boring, your book. This has some fascinating info.
This book, Good Food, Great Medicine, I wrote it with my sister. It's now in its 4th edition, and it gives people the tools to make good health care choices so that they maybe don't need doctors quite as much.
And Shelly, tell me about the podcast.
Walk, Don't Run to the Doctor with Miles Hassel, MD, is a podcast we started for people who said, I don't have enough time to be healthy. And so it's for people who are short on time. It's a product of greatmed.org, which is the first ever crowd-funded, evidence-based lifestyle tools website for healthcare professionals and patients.
To get your copy of Good Food, Great Medicine, or to learn how simple exercise can improve your health and quality of life, visit greatmed.org.